my dear friends, welcome to my channel Study in Germany. Today I want to solve the mathematical questions of Studienkolleg of Germany. My dear friends, in Aufgabe 2, I also solved the two part of the Aufgabe 2. The part A and on part B, I have solved these equations. Now I want to solve the part C equation. It is an inequality, or in Germany we call that Ungleichung-Lösung. Let me at the first of I write this. Okay, I have write this here. My dear friends, it is an equality of an inequality x squared 2 plus x squared plus 5 mal x on plus 6 less than or equal to 0. At the first, my dear friends, in inequality or inequality, when we see that these questions, at the first we must find the two numbers that product is equal to be 6, and also the sum of these two numbers be equal to 5. Now I want to find these two numbers. 2 protect 2 3 is equal to 6, and also 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We find that, and now we want to factorizations this x x plus 2 protect to x plus 3 less or equal to 0. For find of this equation solving, we must this inequality change to equality question. Now I want to change that x plus 2 protect x plus 3 is equal to 0. My dear friends, now this x plus 2 we must equal to 0. You must do that equal to 0. x plus 2 equal to 0. And now we want to move 2 in another side of the equation. When we want to move x equal to this x1 equal to this sign of x change to minus. x1 is equal to minus 2. And also for the other part of these factorizations, x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now x plus 3 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we want to find that the x2. What is the value of x2? We move the 3 in another side of the equations. X is equal to minus 3. It is x2. We also find that the x1 and also x2. This is the solve of the equality question. Now we want to find that the solving of the inequality questions. The equality question is help us to solve the inequality question. For solving of inequality questions, we must draw a chart. Draw chart. Now I want to draw a chart. this is the place of the x plus 3, and this is the place of x plus 2. On here we find that x1 and also x2, 2 point, x1 on x2, x1 on x2. Let me draw this. The 0 point of x plus 3 is here, is minus 3. On the 0 point of x plus 2 is here, minus 2. In here is minus infinity, and here is plus infinity. My dear friends, this is the point of x plus 3, and this is the point of x plus 2. We want to check that the sign of x is plus into 0 point of x plus 3. In here we must put the opposite sign of the x. The opposite sign of the plus is minus, and after the 0 point of this we must put the same point of the x. Here is minus and here is plus. On equal to, also we have the sign of the x is plus. Up to 0 point of the x plus 2 is in here. In here we must put the opposite sign of x plus 2. This is plus, on the opposite of the plus is minus. And after that is plus. And also we know that plus, product of plus, multiple plus is equal to plus. On plus, multiple minus is equal to minus. On plus, multiple to plus is equal to plus. On minus plus minus is equal to plus. On plus, on here, plus multiple to minus is equal to minus. My dear friend, now we want to check that which one of this section belongs to this equation. The equations told us this is the least gain of the 0. But in minus of infinity up to minus 3 is plus. This is greater than 0. And also from 2 up to plus infinity is equal to, this point is also equal to plus. But in this 2 point we have plus. This is not the part of solution. This is not the part of solution. Now the part of solution is what? The part of solution is minus point. Minus point is the part of solution. Now we can tell that x minus 3 least gain on equal to x on x is greater or equal to minus 2. This is the point of the solutions of the equation. We also find that the solution of this equation point is minus 3 on minus 2. And we want to, if we want to show that in an interval, this is minus 3 and also minus 2. This is the solution interval of our inequality. Now we solved this equation. My dear friends, if you have any questions, you can comment me and also send me any message. I will also say that the solutions again. Up to that, how we can solve this equation. After of these questions, we will solve the Aufgabe 3. Now, have a good day. Bye. And also subscribe, share, and like my channels. Have a good day. Choose and bye.